I just got a delivery from Amazon Fresh, and I'm excited to show you what's in here. Yes, this is MOWI's Atlantic salmon and comes with a cedar plank. And today for National Grilling Month, we'll be making an elote-style or Mexican street corn style grilled Atlantic salmon on this cedar plank, giving you the best experience of Mexican cuisine right there in your home. Let's start off first with our Atlantic salmon. Now check this out. Each one of these Atlantic salmon fillets come on the cedar plank already, but the best part is that you don't have to do anything with this cedar plank. It's already been soaked, and that means that you can go directly on your grill. And it's amazing what MOWI goes through to make sure that you get those omega-3 fats for you and your family. And that translates to flavor. So we're gonna grab our cedar plank salmon, season it a little bit with salt, and we're gonna go ahead and grill this. You don't have to do anything else, just place it directly on the grill and let all of that cedar plank smoke infuse inside of the salmon. And now we're gonna go ahead and make our elote or Mexican street corn that's gonna go on top of our salmon. But the first thing we have to do is cook our corn. And here's a fantastic way to cook it without fretting over drying it or overcooking it. And I'm gonna be using the microwave. Yeah, you heard me right. The microwave is a fantastic way to pre-cook corn before bringing it to the grill, but more importantly, to make sure that any of these hair or the silk of the corn is not inside of your corn, because nobody likes that. This is how I do it. Go ahead and wrap the corn with some paper towels, and we're gonna microwave this for about 3 minutes. Okay, this corn is extra hot, so be careful as you cut it. And what we're gonna do is place it on the cutting board, and we're gonna go ahead and cut right through the end, like this. Now you can wear gloves for this if you want, so you don't burn yourself, but what you're gonna do is pretty much squeeze out the corn from the back end, just like this, while you're holding the silk with the other hand, and it will just pop off without any silk on it. So this corn is pretty much cooked. All we're gonna do is char it a little bit on the grill. Make sure you get all sides until you have a nice, beautiful char. And as you can see, our salmon is cooked as well. So let's start putting this all together. Let the salmon cool for just a little bit, and we're gonna be making our sauce for this. That includes a little bit of mayo, sour cream or crema, and add a little bit of lime juice to this, chipotle sauce, salt, and now we're gonna take a pastry brush and go ahead and paint the sauce on top of the salmon. And this corn I can eat just as is, but we're gonna be removing the kernels first. And go ahead and top the salmon with all this corn. Now, traditional Mexican cheese that is always put on elote is cotija cheese. If you can't find cotija cheese, you're welcome to shred pretty much any other cheese you want, but try to make sure that it's not too sharp. So like a mozzarella should work just fine, just you wanna grate it really finely. Okay, the cotija goes right on top of that corn. And we're gonna season this with some tahini or some seasoning to it. It adds extra lemoniness to it. It's not spicy at all, but more importantly, it adds a nice bright color to it too. Go ahead and shake it on top, and that's pretty much it. The cedar plank on that MOWI Atlantic salmon is gonna smoke that salmon to perfection, and that sweet and limey Mexican street corn flavors on top of that salmon is gonna be the perfect addition for that dish. Surprise your friends and family for National Grilling Month with this unique salmon dish.